ladies and gentlemen, it's here. It's arrived. It has arrived. The Grand Theft Auto 6 trailer that got leaked. All right, I think that was a marketing ploy, but I digress. Let's take a look at what we might have possibly missed. Some Easter eggs and references and teasers. By the way, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. I appreciate you. Let's check this out. Grand Theft Auto 6 trailer breakdown. Now, this is via GameSpot. Now, if you haven't seen the trailer, well, you should. It looks really good. It got me pretty hyped. But what did GameSpot spot? We'll go straight to it. First trailer for the game is short, but it still packs quite a bit of information regarding the game's settings, main characters, and activities. Below, we break it all down. You can get a sense of what you're in for when the game launches. Tom Petty, Love is a Long Road, which I won't play because I'll get flagged for that. But Grand Theft Auto games use fictional cities in their settings, but they are heavily inspired by real locations. Vice City is based on Miami, Florida, and the debut Grand Theft Auto 6 trailer uses Love is a Long Road by Tom Petty to set the mood. Petty was from Gainesville, Florida, and given the Lovers Against the World vibes we're getting from the trailer, the song seems fitting. This was cute. Hair physics. What a great reason to put a very nice model in here. Hair has long been one of the most difficult things to animate in video games, and it appears Rockstar is anxious to show people the progress it has made with GTA 6. We get a brief glimpse of this in the trailer with a bikini-clad woman shaking her head as her hair flows from side to side. It also casts a realistic shadow on her shoulder. We'll see how this turns. Final versions of games usually tend to be a little bit different with graphic fidelity and whatnot, but environmental hazards. Not just Vice City populace that can spell your doom in Grand Theft Auto 6. The world itself appears to be a challenge. This teased in the trailer via the news ticker just after 1 minute mark, which describes a water spout sucking up a man and ruining his suit, as this is pseudo Florida. We also see an alligator walking into a convenience store, which I think is hilarious because Florida man, right? And they're saying it's set in modern day, which it seems that way, judging by some of, I would say, like the cars and the social media aspects of stuff that's in the game. Unlike Grand Theft Auto Vice City, which was set in the 1980s, it looks like GTA 6 will be set in the modern day. We see multiple social media stars making videos during the trailer. One is twerking on top of a moving vehicle, and another is getting in the driver's seat while the car is still moving. Rest in peace to both. Probably. Let's not forget the man with a terminal case of Hank Hill, Ace, who appears just afterward. I missed that. I'm going to have to go back and check that. Has callbacks to past games. A few callbacks. Previous Grand Theft Auto games are included in the trailer. Around 34 seconds, you can see a very small glimpse of the Ocean View Hotel, which served as the first safe house in the original Vice City game. I played a lot of Vice City. Later, the Liberator monster truck can be seen during the mudding event. These were included in San Andreas and also appeared in Grand Theft Auto 5. This was great, though. The Florida Joker. So they're doing a callback, and I brought the article up because I had to see how close it resembled there's an actual Florida Joker, which we're going to look at right now. That's the actual Florida Joker. And he ended up getting arrested for a concealed carry offense. But yeah, so they make a joke about that. And cool, I guess. Leonida. Don't know. This one just went past my head. I don't even know what this is even in a reference of. No, not the Spartan King Leonidas. Oh, you GameSpot. This is the state of Leonida. Leonida? I don't know. The fictional state where Vice City is located, like San Andreas for Los Santos. Leonida is referenced by several times in the trailer. It remains to be seen how far we'll venture outside of Vice City itself, but the multiple mentions of the state at large could be a hint. It appears there's another location called Hamlet, which gets a mention at the trailer at the end. Preventing and enjoying crime together. It appears that Rockstar is riffing. It appears Rockstar is riffing on the popular app Citizen in Grand Theft Auto 6, which allows people to report crimes in the area. The app is currently very popular in the United States, and we see a notice from an official government account about 43 seconds in that shows an animal control agent attempting to remove an alligator from a swimming pool, which I'm sure is quite common in good old Florida. What do the comments have to say? It looks good. It doesn't seem to fall for the usual hoops of modern gaming as far as we can see what is in there. And I give them bonus points for that sweet Tom Petty song. I hope that the game will hold what the trailer promises, but I am being cautious after the Red Dead Redemption port and the GTA trilogy. One person calls out the obvious. Hot booty Latina. Fishing poles and nuts in the background in the store. Fishing confirmed, which you know any game's a good game if you can go fishing. If I do get the game, this will probably be doing because I love fishing. Here's a good one. Will it look good on release? Kind of like what I was saying earlier. Looks borderline better than what is possible on current-gen hardware. GTA 5's first set of trailers were largely a match for the final product, but there were some downgrades, if I recall. IIRC. Time will tell. Dude, just spell it. Just spell it out. Don't use abbreviations. Anyway. I don't know. The trailer, when I watched the trailer, it looks great. The game looks great. Who knows? We have to wait till 2025. We have a couple more years until the final release of the game. At least, I don't know. It's also, I guess the consoles are getting it first, and then it's going to be ported to PC. Or not ported to PC, but like PC gets it last. But I still think if we're waiting another couple years for the game to be released, who knows? It'll probably just be released on PC and the consoles. So, what do you guys think? Are you hyped? Did the trailer get you hyped? Anything else that might have been missed in GameSpot's little Easter egg and teaser review? Do you not care? Do you not even care about Grand Theft Auto 6? I don't know. Can you wait for 2 more years? Is the question. Let me know down in the comments. I appreciate you guys. That's some news. I'll talk to you soon.